Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through a complete beginner's guide to using n8n, a powerful automation tool that connects your apps and automates your workflows. Whether you are using Slack, Shopify, ClickUp, or hundreds of other tools, n8n makes automation flexible and code optional with over 400 integrations. It is a solid alternative to platforms like Zapier. So let's dive right in and build your first automation together. So first of all, you have to head over to n8n, this one, https:/n8n.io. So let's tap onto it. Let's log in into it first. So now you have to tap on to get started for free, and if you have previously used it or logged into it, you can just sign in. Okay, so let's tap on to get started for free. Now you have to enter your full name, your company email, your email address, like you have to confirm your email address, and then you have to use strong password and check this icon. Okay, now tap on to start 14-day free trial. Okay, let me copy it and paste it. Wait. Okay, let me paste it manually. Okay, now let's check it out. Tap on to start 14-day free trial. So as you can see, I'm already in there. Now you have to answer some basic questions like what kind of team I have, size of my team, and have you ever used automation tools before. So let's answer their questions. What team are you on? Okay, let's tap on my marketing. Have you ever coded? No. How did you hear about n8n? So let's tap onto other. Now tap submit. So let's make a selection. Okay, okay, Google. Now tap submit. Now you have to enter your email if you wish to, but for now I'm gonna skip it. That was for inviting someone. Okay, now as you can see, I'm almost on the home screen. So let's tap on to start automating this option. And there you go, we are on the home screen. Once inside, so here's what you will see on the left sidebar: overview, credentials, and your personal projects, your workflows, and etc. You can also create projects to organize workflows by team, client, or use case. By a simple tap on this plus icon, you can create projects. Okay, to automate anything, you will first need to connect your apps. Okay, click add credentials to it, search for add credentials option. Let's start from scratch. Okay, first start from scratch. Now tap on to add first step. You can choose on app event if you wish to. Now from there you can choose your apps. You can see a lot of apps here. Just search for your app and then log in. You can repeat the process like Google Calendar. You can use repeat process tools like Google Calendar, OpenAI, ChatGPT, Google Sheets, and add many more. And to use the AI agent templates, you should skip manual setup and try pre-built use cases. Let's explore ready to use AI template. Click onto create workflows, and from there you can create workflows if you want. And as I already told you, you can go to my project, you can test a simple AI agent example. Here you go, you can see this, you can set up template from here, you can create new AI chat models from here, then save. So this is how you can use it. For now I'm going to cut it. On the admin panel you can look up to the admin panel. There's templates here also, you can see this, the workspace. Now let's check. Okay, let's go back. And check out templates. And from templates you will get a lot of type of templates. For example, I'm going to tap onto a random one and you can click to explore them. Wait until it is loaded fully. As you can see this, let's full screen it. Okay, let's just zoom it. Now you can see this clearly, I hope so. So these are some templates you can tap on to use for free, and then you can use them. You can get started free with n8n Cloud. And there you go. What is happening? Create new Google Sheet. Create new. Okay, tap on to skip. Now you can test your workflow here. Here you go, you can test workflow. So as you can see, the template has been added to right here. You can tap onto this. So now you can upgrade now also the n8n to use premium features from here. You can see their packages. They basically offer 3 types of packages here. The one is custom, the enterprise one is custom, there's pro and starter package. So starter package is $24 a month, which you will pay monthly. Also you can see these projects here, like this includes all of these things. One shared project, unlimited users from support, 1-day workflow story, and the $60 a month includes all these informations, which includes in the starters and the $60 project you can get extra admin roles, global variables, 5-day workflow story, execution search, 7 days of insights, and 3 shared projects. And the custom money is on you, depends on you, and then they will cut it. And you can also get annual one, which is $20 a month, 15 month, and custom one. So that was all about n8n AI. So if this video helped you, make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comments. Till there, take care, goodbye, see you in the next video.